Ooh, I'm trying to see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. So this morning's game, you might not think is a game, but it is. We are going to help do the cleaning. So grown-ups, you are going to have a cleaning helper. Now, I know at Cherubs you lot are brilliant at tidying and cleaning up. And we're going to do some cleaning today, and it's going to be really good fun, and you can get really messy. Okay, so the first thing we need is a cleaning outfit. So if anyone hasn't got dressed up yet this time we've been off, this is it. So my cleaning outfit is to help me clean, because I'm not just going to clean with my hands, I'm going to clean with my knees, because today as we're cleaning, we're going to do a bit of crawling, because crawling makes our shoulders really strong, which helps us for when we're playing games and sports, but also it helps us when we're writing, because we need to write using our shoulders. But I don't want to get my t-shirt and my shorts dirty, so the first thing I'm going to wear is my pinny. So if you've got a pinny, that's cool. If you haven't, you might want to wear some old clothes, or you might ask your grown-up if they've got a big old t-shirt, and you can put that on. Maybe one they've done the painting in, or if it's rubbish, might have dyed her hair in. All right, next thing we need. I said we're going to be cleaning with our knees. So I've got 2 cloths. Now, you have got little thin legs. So if you can find with your grown-ups an elastic band, you can put your cloth on your knee like this. Let me show you. You put your elastic band, it's really important it's not too tight, over your foot, up your leg, and on your knee. Now I've got to check it's not digging in, okay? And then you get your cloth. Now you can do this with a bit of string as well. And you put your cloth on your knee. Can you see what shapes I've got on my cloth? Yeah, heart shapes. Cool, hey? So one leg is ready for cleaning. The next one is a big long cloth. Now this is a different shape altogether. This one is a rectangle, and this one's going to go all the way around the back. Now I can probably just tie this one, yeah, with a bow at the back, sorted. And then just because my hair gets in the way and it's really long, and when I put my head down it's going to get in all the dirty stuff on the floor, I'm going to put my hair out the way as well. But you don't have to do this one. If you do though, I've got another rectangle, just a bigger one, and I'm going to put the rectangle on my head. Do I look silly? Whoa. And I've got another elastic band to put on the back of this one. So, ready for cleaning. Oh, I forgot something. Now, if you have a cut in your hands, I've got a cut on my finger at the moment, or you might have a bit of an eczema, or sore dry skin on your hands, you really don't want to do this without wearing gloves. Okay, so the next thing we need is gloves. Now my gloves are a really funny colour, because the last thing I did in these was dye Maren's hair, and we dyed it green, so they've got lots of stained dye on. But they are actually, it won't come out, we're not going to turn anything blue. So we are ready. So I'm going to clean my hall floor. My hall floor has got a really pretty pattern on it, but it's very messy. So the first thing I've had to do is take all the things out of my hall. She's big muscles. You will need a helper. I need a helper. Stu had to help me. The next thing we've got to do is brush the floor. So you've got to ask your grown-ups if you can have a brush. So we're going to use our big, strong muscles, and we're going to brush. And we're going to go brush, brush, brush the floor, brush the dirt away. Brushing, 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 brushing makes it clean today. Can you do that with me? So we're going to go big arm movements. Brush, brush, brush the floor. Brush the dirt away. Brushing, 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 brushing till it's clean today. So we're going to brush all the bits out the corners. Get those big arm muscles. Make sure you're using both your hands together. That's it. And we're going to get all the dirt off the floor. Now your grown-ups are going to be amazed how good you are at this. Alright, so I've brushed all my dirt into a pile in the middle of the floor. Now, where do I need to put my dirt? See, put it in the bin. So, I've got my bin here. And I've got my dustpan. Now, parents, you might not know, but we have 3 dustpan and brushes at Cherubs. And your children are brilliant at using dustpan and brushes. And you might think, what are they going to learn from this other than how to clean? Actually, using both hands together really develops your coordination skills. So, we've now got to brush the mess into the dustpan. So we're going to brush all the mess. And this is when I always find something that I've lost, like this clip here. So you never know what you've got on your floor. I'll put that on the stairs so I know where it is later. So all the rubbish is in the bin. So now it's the fun of it. So we've used our dustpan and brush. We used both our hands together. We've used our big brush for our big arm coordination. Now we've got to wash the floor. And this is where the fun comes in. So I'm going to sit down here. I'm going to have to tilt the screen so you can see what I am doing. I might have to move back a bit. Okay, so this is why we've got things on our knees, because we are going to be scrubbing this floor. So first of all, we've got to make loads of bubbles. You need warm water, not hot to burn, but not cold because it doesn't make bubbles. So you're going to put your squirts in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only use Fairy Up liquid because some of you have make your skin stingy otherwise, okay? Then you've got to wash those hands in it. Remember when we made the sound gut and went that's what you've got to do. You've got to get some of it's jumping out already. You've got to get loads and loads and loads of bubbles. All right. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is make your fingers really strong. This is really good for drawing and writing. So you need a sponge. I've got 2 sponges. I have got a cuboid and I've got a heart. You can use any sponge you want. You can use a big one that Dad might use to wash the car, or you can use a little sponge or whatever sponge you've got in your house. If you haven't got a sponge, you can use a cloth, okay? You're going to put them in the water and you're going to squeeze. Have a practice in the water. Squeeze those fingers really tight, and that's what we're going to do all over the floor. So we're going to squeeze and make a great big bubbly mess on the floor. Oh, this floor is going to be so clean when we're finished. We're going to make a big bubbly mess. Now, it's really important both our hands are strong. So we're going to put our other hand in and we're going to squeeze the water all over the floor. Now, this has got to be a floor that you can wipe. This is not how we clean carpets. All right, so when you've made a big bubbly mess, and you can even have a go at dribbling out your letters. I'm going to see if I can dribble out curly cur. And then you can start making some circles. So you need a sponge in both hands, and obviously your knees will be cleaning the floor as well. We can do some double squeezes. So we've got some big puddles on the floor now for cleaning, okay? Sponge in both hands, and we're going to do this movement. Can you do it in the air? Big, massive circles, and your hands have got to cross each other. So your grown-ups know this is called crossing the midline, and that makes this side of your clever brain talk to this side of your clever brain and gets them to work together. So it helps make you super clever. Did you know that cleaning the floor could make you super clever? So big arm movements like this, okay? And then we're going to do it on the floor. So you are making circles. You might make little circles. You might make big crossy hand circles. And you can go up and down and up and down and up and down, up and down. Lots of little circles and big circles as you scrub all over the floor. Now I've got shapes on my floor. I've got triangles, I've got squares. I don't know if you've got any shapes on your floor. Now this is the bit where your knees come in. Make sure you've got your knee bits on and you can slide wee around the water crawling. So if you give your legs a wiggle, your knees are cleaning too. Now the best thing to do for this is to put some music on. Find your favourite song. Put some music on, and then you can clean and dance at the same time. You can get your arms moving You can get your knees moving, woo, up and down, dancing knees, because you've got your cleaning things on your knees as well. And you can have some real fun in all the bubbly water on your floor. Now, this is not something to do without checking with the grown-up first. So just check you've done it. I want to see pictures of you in your cleaning outfits, and I want to see pictures of your really clean floors when you're finished. Okay, I've got to finish this one. See you soon. Bye.